Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Raqmedia, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. I'm Ezzadine, and today we're diving into the exciting world of satellite TV with the unboxing and setup of the Starsat 2090 HD TV receiver. Welcome back. If you're ready to unlock a world of entertainment, stick around because we've got an informative and exciting video in store for you. Let's get started. Alright, folks, let's kick things off by unboxing the Starsat 2090 HD TV receiver. As you can see, the packaging is sleek and modern, and it's time to unveil the magic inside. Carefully removing the lid reveals the sleek receiver itself, neatly wrapped in protective packaging. But that's not all. Underneath, we've got the essential accessories including the remote control, HDMI cable, power adapter, This is where the excitement really begins. Now that we've got the Starsat 2090 HD out of the box, let's talk first impressions. The receiver has a compact and sleek design that's sure to fit seamlessly into your entertainment setup. But appearances aren't everything, let's talk features. This receiver supports high-definition content, so you can expect crystal-clear visuals. It also comes with a range of connectivity options, including HDMI and USB ports, allowing you to connect various devices and enjoy your favorite media. Here comes the meat and potatoes, setting up the Starsat 2090 HD TV receiver. The process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it. First, connect the receiver to your TV using the provided HDMI cable. Then, plug in the power adapter and turn on the receiver. You'll be greeted with an on-screen setup wizard that will help you configure language, time zone, and more. Next, connect the satellite dish cable and follow the on-screen instructions to scan for channels. It's a breeze. With the Starsat 2090 HD all set up, let's dive into the user interface. Navigating through the menu is intuitive, and you'll quickly find options to customize your viewing experience. From adjusting display settings to organizing your favorite channels, it's all at your fingertips. And speaking of channels, get ready for a plethora of entertainment options. You can browse through various satellite channels, explore different genres, and even set up favorites for quick access. And there you have it, folks, the Starsat 2090 HD TV receiver unboxed, set up, and ready to bring a world of entertainment to your fingertips. Whether you're a movie buff or a sports fanatic, this receiver has got you covered. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to stay updated on all things tech and entertainment. Thanks for joining me today, and until next time, happy watching, and keep those subscriptions coming. This is Ezzadine from Raqmedia.